Hello and welcome to another Quality and Practice Minute. In this Quality and Practice Minute, I'm going to discuss our fractional leadership model within the context of a small business. So a lot has been made in the press about application of Lean and Six Sigma in various large organizations. General Electric, Allied Signal, Toyota, Motorola are amongst the large companies that we've heard about in the news for their Lean and Six Sigma efforts over the past 3 decades or so. We don't really hear much about small businesses applying Lean and Six Sigma in their businesses and achieving dramatic transformations. I believe there are some barriers to entry that make it more difficult for a small business to start a continuous improvement effort. Those barriers are time. So most businesses run very lean, and the hours are filled with executing on business survival and growth rather than carving out some portion of people's time to do continuous improvement. Resources, similar to time, most small businesses don't have the bandwidth to carve out 25 to 50% of a single person's time, let alone a team's worth of time, to focus on process improvement activities. And thirdly is knowledge. It takes several projects to begin to be comfortable with Lean and Six Sigma process improvement methods. Malcolm Gladwell suggests that 10,000 hours of practice are required in order to achieve a level of expertise. The failure rate is quite high. A 50% failure rate is not unheard of. And finally, first projects take longer than subsequent projects due to the learning curve and the trial and error approach of executing a first project. So our approach to help with overcome those barriers is the fractional leadership model. So you see in the middle of the page the typical internal leadership model where most aspects of the program, including communication, designating a project leader, a program leader, calculating results, writing policies, project management, project selection and review, certification, and candidate selection, those are all internal. It's typical to outsource or provide training from an outsourced provider. So that's reflected in the middle of the page. Our fractional leadership model, we can take on all of those aspects or as many of those aspects of your program for you as you're comfortable with. So we can write your policy documents, we can certify your individuals, we can manage your project review activities and communications, and then we partner with you on project reviews, calculating results, project management, and candidate selection. And of course, you achieve the results in your business. If you'd like to learn more about our fractional leadership model and how it would apply in your business, reach out to us. Our website is qualityandpractice.solutions, and you can reach out to us via email at info@qualityandpractice.solutions. Thank you for joining me on this Quality and Practice Minute. We'll see you next time.